everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Carla Christina and I'm coming at you with a review on the very popular Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. So this is what the palette's box looks like. And can I just start off by saying how difficult it was for me to get my hands on this? The fact that I even had the opportunity to purchase this product is unbelievable because it was sold out everywhere. So yeah, it's really caused a wave in the makeup community and I have been dying to try it out for myself. So this is my first unboxing of the product, and as you can see, the box is just white with red letters, and on the back it has Jeffree Star's information, Instagram, YouTube, and the ingredients and the names of the eyeshadows. So let's open it up. Ooh. And already I have to say that the packaging feels very nice. Definitely has a, I want to say, luxurious feel to it. It feels like it's like faux leather almost, like a leathery textured feeling. And in big bold letters you see the name of the palette with Jeffree Star's logo in between. And then this is the clasps that open up the product. And there we go. I have to say that the colors are very stunning. So as you can see, you get a bright orange tone, you get a red tone, some more maroon / purple tones, and then this dark purple tone here that I love. And my very favorite is this hot pink tone right over here. But I love the neutrals that he also incorporated into his line because I feel that you have such bright colors. So, one of the interesting things that I do find about this palette that I'm not crazy about is the fact that it doesn't give you the net weight of the palette. So I don't get the net weight, the ounces of the palette on the back or the front. So if anybody sees it, please let me know. I looked through the entire packaging and I did not find it. Also, it's something that I like to look at when I'm buying a palette because of the fact that I want to know exactly how much I'm getting per from the amount that I'm paying. So that's very important. You want to know how much you're getting for what you're paying. I am not a sponsored review. So that's number one. So the other thing is, I have to say that I think that I really do like the fact that it does have a mirror. So that's kind of cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually swatch these eyeshadows and then show you what they look like on my arm, and you can see if you like the way that they look. So see, some of them show up really well on me and then others not so much. So I have to say Candy Floss was probably not my winning choice. So now that you've seen the eyeshadows swatched, let's get down to business and talk about how much it cost me for the palette. So I went and got it at the Morphe store, and here's my receipt, and subtotal was $52.10, and then sales tax was $4.81. So yeah guys, $52. So that's pretty much what this palette ran me. And now let's check out exactly if this is, you know, what it claims to be or what people have claimed it to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a week of tutorials based on this palette and what you can actually do with it and see if it's worth all the hype. Keep in mind also, I did read in the fine print here that you aren't supposed, that this can actually cause irritation around the eyes. In very fine print, that's actually here on the box. So I don't know if that's something to be concerned about, but I'm going to test it out on myself and hopefully things go as planned. Let's actually try a little fast, quick eyeshadow look here without me removing what I currently have on, which is just some highlighter and some bronzer. But definitely let's do this. I'm gonna put on my brow bone a little bit of the sugar cane, or better yet, you know what, I'm gonna use glucose. It's white, but it might actually look really cool. So, ooh, that is white. So I definitely like the glucose. Okay, I'll just put a little more on that side, and then I'm gonna try a little bit of the tongue pop as my mid-tone. I'm loving this shade, actually. I'm really loving this shade. Yeah, I am loving this shade. Check that out, it's really cute. So yeah, I'm liking this. I'm gonna put some on the other side. You know what I really like also is that it doesn't have a lot of fallout. It actually, I have to give it up to Jeffree on that. His eyeshadows definitely don't have a lot of fallout, and I'm really liking the way they blend. Very nice, very buttery, a very nice smooth eyeshadow for sure. And then I'm going to add a little bit of, I want to say Cavity. Just been dying to try that one. Right over here. I'm liking that. I'm just gonna blend that out. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. That's actually pretty cute. Let's try some here. yeah, you guys, I really like this. I really, really like this look. And just so you know, I am wearing Jeffree Star's Candy Ass on my lips. So yeah, I like this. I like this look a lot. I actually really like these colors, and I have to say that they do go on very smoothly. Like, they blend like nobody's business. So yeah, I'm a huge fan. So I have to say, overall, I really like this palette. It may not have the net weight, and it may not be the most inexpensive palette, but I have to say I definitely think it's worth the money. There's maybe only one shade on here that doesn't work for me, which is the Candy Floss. But other than that, I really liked Cavity, which is what I'm wearing right now. Jeffree has had a lot of really great products. I have to say, if you haven't tried his lip glosses, definitely check them out. They are wonderful. I paid $16 for this. It is super pigmented and just looks beautiful, and in person, I really don't think the camera does this justice, but in person this actually has like almost like a glimmer to it that just looks absolutely rad. So yeah, you guys, this palette has got me shook, okay? So yeah, this is Carla Christina approved. I definitely would recommend this palette to other people. I have a lot of palettes that I own, which you will be seeing on my channel, and this is my new favorite addition to my collection. As well as, I am so excited that I actually decided to get this for myself when I was lucky enough to actually find it in the store, and there weren't many left. I had gone into the store multiple times looking for this, so this was my Christmas gift to myself, and I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your experience is with the Blood Sugar palette, how you like it, what kind of looks have you done with it. Definitely feel free to comment down below. Give me a like if you liked this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like these. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. As always, let me know if there's anything in particular you want to see on my channel. Holidays, I think everybody should be watching their blood sugar. I know I am. So definitely let me know if you have any comments or anything fun that you've done with this palette. I'd love to see it. And as always, check me out on Instagram as well, and on Facebook. My new Facebook page is up, so I'm so excited. That will all be linked down below, and also the products that I'm using today in this look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Love you guys, and as always, remember, stay beautiful.